April is Citizen Science Month. Every day in April there's the opportunity for the community to collaborate with scientists and record what they see.
Citizen science to me is the ability for everyday people to get involved and connect with their environment.
I think there's a perception that science only belongs to scientists or researchers, but citizen science helps bring it to the public and helps them be a part of all the research that's happening and contributing.
It's so important not only for, I guess, its ability to rapidly collect data and things like that, but I guess also encouraging ongoing stewardship of areas. I think that's very, very cool, especially if it's sort of local to you, I guess, getting to know your own environment, getting to, form a little community with that, but also realising your own power in protecting it and not just assuming someone else is going to do it or the government's going to do it or another scientist is going to do it. Like, you yourself can contribute to that.
So not just scientists but also the community and the government can use a whole range of different citizen science data. It can ideally be used to increase knowledge. It can be used for biodiversity audits of parks, marine parks, local council areas, cities. So that you know what species are there.
These community groups are the ones that are actively engaging in the citizen science activities. They have the ability to fill data gaps in our report card, which we haven't been able to fill using traditional monitoring programs. I guess one of the best things that I see about citizen science, and I said it before and I'll say it again, is that connection that it builds to ensure ongoing stewardship and ongoing legacy for environmental care within the region. There's no greater power than knowing that something that you've been involved in is being used for making management decisions about how the government or industry or organisations manage our environment that we live and work and play in.
The most important thing is to get outdoors and have a look at the reef, and you can do that a number of different ways. Ideally you get wet, you get fully immersed, you put on a mask and snorkel, you go scuba diving, and then you are surrounded by this absolute unbelievable mass of colours and shapes and movements, and then start observing and start recording. One of the most popular apps globally is something called iNaturalist, where you load your observation onto an app, and then other people have a conversation with you and try and turn your observation from a picture to a research grade identification of a species with data on time and place.
I love snorkeling and I just love the total biodiversity, and just getting out there and seeing it, is a joy.
What I think even more special about doing citizen science is not only you get that own joy from doing it, but also you get to see the joy on the participants' faces, particularly as many people, don't always have the same opportunities to go out to the reef.
My ideal vision is that every single person on the planet should be a citizen scientist. The reality is, I think it's only about 10%. Everyone can observe something and say that's a tree or a bird or a plant, but it takes someone a little bit special to take that next step and to record that data, whether it's in a journal or a photograph, and to share it. It's really easy. Generally it takes less than a minute or two. So I suppose one of the reasons we're having this conversation is to try and encourage that next person to be an active citizen scientist and help themselves and help their community and help the planet.